Hey folks, it's Mike Internet Pro. I have some powerful information to show you. Got some proof. Just made 250 bucks, easy money. Buy instant pays. What is it? It is a program that's going to teach you how to use social media in secret ways, secret strategies to actually make money like you've never made before. You can make $125 payments. It was straight into your PayPal account, no lie. Now, what I want to show you, come down here, you can see this is my link, my affiliate link. When you join the program, this is what they give you, your affiliate link. You can use this link to promote it, and every time someone buys through this link, through your personal link, once you join our program, you're going to get this link. You're going to be able to promote it and make $125 every single time. We have a Facebook group. Join the Facebook group, get inside, learn even more strategies and even more secret tips. Now check this out. I'm going to show you the proof. Let's jump over here. This is my email account where I receive all my notifications from PayPal. See, I have 107 PayPal notifications. These came in, check it out, $125. Now I'll probably blur this out because this is personal email and everything and their address. But you can see here, 125 bucks, another all the way subtotal, 125 bucks sent to my email. I'll probably blur that part out. Okay, here's the other one. Again, another payment sent. I'll probably blur out most of this, but I'll leave some of it open so you can see. Another 125 bucks, guys. That's $250 if I'm not mistaken. 250 bucks. I'm going to be promoting this for the rest of this month. Get in while you can. This is considered like a mid-range ticket item. It's not high ticket, it's not low ticket, but it can get the job done. Think about 125 bucks every single time someone joins, every single time somebody joins to your link. Now, another thing I want to show you too. Let's upgrade. Click here to upgrade the Pro. What do you get with that? If you don't have an autoresponder, okay, if you don't have a way to collect emails, this thing is pretty cool. When you upgrade, okay, come here. This is someone who's upgraded. Okay, so I'm using their page right here. This is what it's going to look like. When you upgrade, you get this page right here. You're going to have all your details here. It's going to come down and show the testimonials here and even more information about it. Okay, and you get the instant access right here. When the person clicks on that button, they put their name, the email, and the phone number and get access. Now, you can change this around how you want it to look exactly. Like if you just want your email, just don't want the name, whatever the case. And that will give you your autoresponder. So when you upgrade, okay, if you choose to upgrade the Pro, you don't have to. You can leave it like with me. I just have the basic, and I make this money just with the basic alone, which just gives me the link for the back office that is, let me show you how it looks exactly. Okay, this is what you get if you don't upgrade. If you just get like the regular product, okay, this is going to give you just the secret strategies and everything. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, the person comes down, they click the box, and then it's going to show the reference, the person who referred them, that's me, and then they click here and they buy it for 125. Okay, that's what you're going to get if you don't upgrade. If you upgrade right here, say for upgraded members right here, if you upgrade, then yours will look like this instead. It will have a more professional video here, and the fact that you can have a personal one from you. Then you can click here for instant access, and it will pop up the box. And right here, then you capture the person's email, and you start to send them out emails that's going to promote the business even further. That way, if they don't buy it that day, you continue to promote. So that's what you get if you upgrade. All right, it's your choice. If you already have an autoresponder, then you don't have to upgrade, you know. But if you don't have an autoresponder, I recommend that you upgrade because you get right here all of this when you upgrade. That's that digital drag and drop visual editor. That's really, really powerful. You get the background videos. You can create any type of page you want. You can create multiple different types of pages, not just that one. Mobile pages, everything. It's all hooked up for you. Micro Internet Pro. Click the link below. Get started today. See you inside. I'm out.